ng 50 to 100 pieces ng itlog just to get yung 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. Imagine eating that, no? Just to get the creatine monohydrates na kailangan mo per day para mag-improve yung performance mo, yung endurance mo, yung hydration ng muscle mo para mas puno siyang tignan. So instead of getting it sa Whole Foods, the best way to do it is mamili ka ng mga creatine monohydrate supplement katulad nitong hawak ko. Now, we have the best, affordable, and available na creatine monohydrates dito sa shop. Ilalagay ko yung link. Meron tayong pure form. Available yung Athlean. Siyempre, yung Whale Nutrition, flavored and unflavored. So, kung wala ka pang creatine monohydrates, kumuha ka na. Ilagay ko yung link dito sa video. And kung may comment ka, ilagay mo sa comment section. Pasok ka sa live 6 p.m. onwards. Kita-kits tayo. Thank you for always supporting Healthy Cortex. Take ko na to creatine. Ayaw kumain ng 100 pieces.